Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to flip images and objects in Inkscape. I'm going to show you one really important method that may be really helpful in your projects. Okay, so here we have image. If we want to flip this image, we need to click on selector tool and then we need to select our image. First, I will show you how to flip horizontally. So I recommend you to copy this image and paste it on the page. And now I will click on Object Flip Horizontal. So I choose this option. And now if you want to have this object symmetrical, you need to go to Object and select Align and Distribute. Then you need to select both images. And then you click on Center on Horizontal Axis. And after that, I recommend you to choose option Align Right Edges of Objects to the left edge of Anchor. Okay, so it was horizontal flip. If we want to use vertical flip, we need to unselect both images. And after that, I click on one image. I click Ctrl C and I paste image again. Now I will flip it. So if you selected this image, you need to click on Object Flip Vertical. Okay, so now we will select both images. So I click on this image and then I click Shift and click on this image. Now we need to click Center on Vertical Axis, and now I select this option, Align Top Edges of Objects to Bottom Edge of Anchor. And like you see, our vertical flips has been successfully created here. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to resolve your problem, remember to like my tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe my channel too. It really supports my work. And I thank you for watching my tutorials.